In this video, I will show you how to create this 3D lighting effect in Inkscape. Let's say I have a phone screen. Now I want to make this a 3D mockup. Under layers and objects, I have the phone frame and the screen. I will take the phone frame out for a while. Now you have the screen out for a while. Now you have the phone frame. To apply the lighting effect, select the frame and go to filters, filter editor. You will get a window like this without any filters. What you can do is you can add a filter. Let's rename it lighting and then apply. We don't have any effects, so it just shows as this. Go to effect and create a diffuse lighting and give it a point light. Now you can see there's a point light showing here, but let's adjust the view first. So we have a region that the filter applies to. Let's adjust this region, deselect this. So this is the height. I will make it 2 times 1.5, and width I will make this 2. Now you have the region. You can move the region to the left and to the right. I'll give it around minus 0.5 and around 0.2. Now you can see we have applied. We have adjusted the region and you can see the applied filter. You can play with these values. And you can play with the X, Y and Z coordinates. I'll give it around 40. So the light is 40 points upwards. You can play with X and Y. Let's say 500. It's directly on top. Another 1000. It's on the bottom now. So you can play with these values and adjust as you like. You can even increase this as well. So I'll keep it at 40 for now. You can see this is very sharp. We can make it a bit blur by adding another effect on top of this, and you can give it a blur value, but a very slight blur would be enough, around 0.4. Now you can see we have the lighting effect. If you want, you can go here and change the colors. I will make the page size of this, and you can just grab this and place it here. If you want, you can select this and go to the filter editor again, and you can change the values. I'll give it a slight hint of red for the light. That's pretty much it. So you can see there's this effect. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.